Hi guys, welcome to another awesome video with Selvin Kitchen. So today guys, we're in Lewisham Center. Lewisham Center, we have a Lewisham market here where they sell a lot of clothes, food, veg, all type of things, fish, crabs, all type of things they sell in Lewisham market. So I come to Lewisham market today to show you guys what's going on in Lewisham market. So this is Lewisham market, people. This is the 29th of April. It's on a Thursday. So this is Lewisham market. So right now we're in Lewisham market, people. A lot of people out to the shopping, so everybody with a shopping bag. There's a lot more stuff that you get in Lewisham market more than Woolwich market. It's a beautiful Thursday morning. We have a shop down here where sell like fish. There's some frozen nice fish over there. We have some octopus here. Gonna check a shop down here to buy 1 and 2 things from Jamaica. This shop down here sell everything. Most people come out on Lewisham market on a Thursday and a Tuesday to come shopping. So if you guys watching my video and you don't subscribe, it's free to subscribe, people. Hit that subscribe button and please share and like the video. Selvin Kitchen. Yes, brother. How you sell a sugar cane, brother? $5.99. $5.99. So we have some plantain here. We're gonna get 3 plantain. I think it's 3 for £1.20. Get some plantain. Get around 6 plantain. Yes, people. Get the nice big ones then. So it's 3 plantain for £1.20. I want to get 6. Cheers, brother. See, you have all type of veggies. You have mango. Yep. Jackfruit. Want to make some mango juice today, people. Look at these people. When I leave Jamaica, I don't see this one. This is Neesberry. Oh, you selling Neesberry, brother? Neesberry. Oh, you sell it? Neesberry, kilo chanda. So this is the Neesberry. £10 a kilo. Yeah, the people, £10 a kilo. Definitely having a ripe one. There are more inside. Alright then. Yes, people, we're still in Lewisham market. This is a shop I sell. This is okra. fresh ginger, coconut. And chochos, I found my fruits. Let me get some chochos to boil some soup. Two chocho, fresh thyme, bangla fresh thyme. Garlic don't look so fresh. Have some dried coconut, sweet potato, oh, you said a sweet potato, brother? Sweet potato, Jamaican one, yeah.
I do it $6.99 a kilo.
$6.99 a kilo. This is a sweet potato. And it's a cocoa. Over here they call it cocoa yam. Yellow yam. Get some lime, you have some lime here. So anything you want in this shop, Jamaica people, you get it. Ackee, coconut milk, sweet milk. This is the spice section, you get all these spice then. Garlic and onion and lemon. I get to get one of these ones. It quit. There's all your spice, all your seasoning, all different type of seasoning for your people. Your jerk season. Also your Walker Zood, you have all different type of jerk season over here. I think I'm gonna get one of these. Garlic and onion and lemon. I'm gonna try this season. I never used this one before. I'm gonna try it. Garlic, onion and lemon. Look at these people. I'll make a video with this already. This is drops. This is the peanut drops. And they have coconut drops. I love this one. I used to eat this one when I was going to school in Gizada. Can I have one? Mackerel. Your saltfish is $3 for a pound, yeah? This is the boneless saltfish. You have two types of saltfish. You have the boneless saltfish and you have this saltfish with the bone with the scale, but this one is the boneless saltfish. You're gonna have three for £5. Yes people, I just come out of that shop. I just buy some stuff in that shop. I want to go home, go make a video. I want to make mango and ginger juice today, and I'm gonna make a different recipe, a beautiful recipe with pumpkin and coconut. So look out for that video, pumpkin and coconut and the mango and ginger juice. So right now I'm gonna check this fishman over here. So some beautiful fish. So I wanna get a crab. Don't know if you guys eat crab. Them is alive, brother. Look at them dead, brother.
Some of them are alive, I think.
Oi, wake up. I need a nice big live one. Oi. One big one, one nice big one, live
That
one.
one is good.
That one is good. How much is that one?
Let me check it for you, yeah?
What's this one here, brother?
That one is the blue one.
Blue crabs.
Yeah, blue one.
So yeah, blue crabs.
$6.65, you can pay $6.50, okay?
6.55 and 6.50.
Yeah.
So what is the 5? 5 pence you take off, brother?
Putting in a bag or shall we make it for you clean?
You can wash it. Yeah, you can wash it for me, please. No, put it in a bag. I take it home and clean it.
That's all you want.
Yeah. She want us one crab.
Yes, please. Have a look, please, yeah?
So we have all different type of fish here.
So what?
We have tuna, red snapper, parrot, Lewisham market people. Anything you want, you get it here. Lewisham market people. Gonna get a bag of orange. This is £2 for a bag of orange. Not bad price. You see the queue? Gonna get a bowl of lime. One bowl of lime, people, is for £1. We're gonna buy this in Tesco if you have around £3 to £4 to buy this lime. One bowl of lime, £1. Yes, people, we're still in Lewisham Market. Today's a massive shopping day for everybody. Want to get some carrot. Hey darling, how much a bowl for your carrot? £1, okay. And your broccoli? £1 a bowl for broccoli, £1 a bowl for carrot. Let me get 2 bowls of carrot, please. Nice big broccoli over there, £1 a bowl.
Yeah, take it off his deck. You ain't got a deck. Ah, good.
Cheers, darling.
Take it in the front.
Get 2 bowls of broccoli. spinach, 2 for £1.50. So spinach is not bad price, 2 for £1.50. You have fresh gonna get two bowl of spinach, £1.50. It's not bad price. 2 nice bungalow of spinach. You guys ever eat spinach before? Oh God, you can try it. You can try spinach with cabbage, steamed cabbage with spinach, callaloo, spinach in your soup. You guys have some fresh scotch bonnet pepper, okra. £1.50 for 2 here, brother?
Yes, brother.
Yes, people, I get some spinach, I get some carrot, I need to get some bell pepper. Bell pepper, they don't look too fresh. Some nice big pioneer. £2 for one. Not bad price. I'm gonna get 2 of them.
Strawberry 150 there. Strawberry bright 150 there. Strawberry there.
Yes, people, I want to get some bell pepper, but the bell pepper don't look too fresh today. I'm gonna walk up a different stalls if I get some nice fresh bell pepper. That's a Jamaican style over here, so a lot of Jamaican stuff. Yes, brother. Well, bless up yourself. I'm piece of pumpkin there. How you sell the pumpkin? Alright, give me 2 kilos there now. Nice fresh piece there. You have some nice fresh pumpkin up there. I want to buy 2 kilos of pumpkin. I want to make some pumpkin, curry pumpkin. Yeah, go around here, darling. Yeah. There's no fresh bell pepper today. I cannot get any fresh bell pepper. I don't know what's going on, people. I have to get some nice fresh bell pepper when I come here. And the bell pepper, what I see, is not 100% fresh. I'll check down this end, see if I get any fresh bell pepper. Some bell pepper here, this one don't look too bad. I get a bowl of this bell pepper. Yes, people are still in Lewisham market, so it's quite busy today on a Tuesday. A lot of, on a Thursday and a Tuesday, everybody come out to shopping. So
Everybody Lord, help your friends. Everybody Lord, help your friends.
but guys, you still watch. So thank you guys for watching. Please hit a notification bell so when I post a video you will get it. Selvin Kitchen. I will see you guys in the next video. Take care of yourself. Peace.